Hi everybody!
Hi!
We are the Language Co-op and today we are here in my kitchen.
We're going to teach you the essential cooking vocabulary.
Have you ever wondered what is the difference between chop, dice, and slice? Then this is the video for you.
We're going to demonstrate the important verbs you need to know to follow a recipe.
So, let's get cooking! Crush, like garlic. To chop means to cut into pieces. When you want to chop something really small, you mince it. Peel means to take off the outer part. I'll peel this onion. Dice means to make something into medium-sized squares. I can dice the onion. To slice means to cut something lengthwise. For example, we slice cheese. Grate the cheese. Thank you. Fry the onions and garlic in oil. When we fry vegetables together, we also call this sautéing.
The water is now simmering. The water is now boiling. Add the pasta. Stir the pasta, cheese, onions, and garlic. Flip the tortilla. Sprinkle the cheese. Melt the cheese.
So gooey.
So cheesy. Squeeze the lime into the juice. Crack the egg. Scramble the egg. Thaw is when we take something out of the freezer to defrost. Now we wait.
Did you catch all of that cooking vocabulary?
Keep practicing using all of these words.
And if you like cooking, watch our next video and learn how to cook some American dishes.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more great resources from the Language Co-op.
Bon appetit!
One more word. Wash the dishes.